Hello students, this next question in that geometry practice quiz is about circles. Now, these are challenging questions, so stay with me. You can figure these out. I'm going to take them very slow. The question says, two circles intersect at point J. This is where they meet, okay? If C is the center of the larger circle, we can see C's right in the center, and the diameter of the larger circle is 28 inches. The diameter cuts that big circle in half, dissects it. The diameter goes from J to K, right through C. And the diameter of the larger circle is 28 inches. What is the radius of the smaller circle in inches? Okay, so we need to know our geometry terms. Diameter dissects a circle into two equal pieces. It goes from one side through the center to the other side. The radius, on the other hand, is half of the diameter. C to K would be the radius of the big circle, and also C to J would be a radius of the big circle. But they're not asking us for the radius of the big circle. They're asking us for the radius of the little circle, which would be from here, the center, to the edge, or the center to C. Okay? All right, so remember, let's just make some notes here. Diameter of the large circle is 28 inches. It tells us right there, 28 inches. Okay, so if the diameter of the large circle is 28 inches and C is in the center of the large circle, then the diameter of the small circle would have to be the radius of this large circle, okay, or half of the diameter of the large circle. So radius is half of the diameter. Diameter cuts it in two. Radius is the hand of the clock from the center to the edge. Okay, so the radius of the large circle is going to be half of 28, or 14 inches. Okay. If the radius of the large circle here is 14 inches, then the diameter of the small circle is going to be 14 inches, right? Does everybody see that? Right here, from here to here will be our radius of the large circle, 14 inches. Therefore, we can see it goes from one side through the center to the other side of the small circle. So it's going to be 14 inches. Okay, we know that radius is half of the diameter, correct? So the radius of the small circle is going to be half of its diameter. Radius is half the diameter. Half of 14 is 7 inches. Therefore, from this point right here in the center to the edge is going to be 7 inches. So this problem looked and sounded more difficult than it really is. But you have to know your geometry terms, your radius and your diameter. Diameter cuts the circle into two equal pieces. The radius is half the diameter. from the center of the circle to the edge. Remember, diameter, radius is half the diameter. The diameter is twice the radius. Two radius make a diameter. Half the diameter is a radius. Okay, I will be back with the next question.